Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your payment address in Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now, find and open Bither application on your device. After that, type in the PIN code to get access to your wallet. Now, click on the settings gear icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on Advanced Options button. Here, you will see Payment Address option. Click on it and select the payment address from here. If you have multiple wallets, you can see multiple address in here. I have only one wallet and a one SD account. Click on the respective address you want to set the payment address to. So that is how you can change the payment address in Bither Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.